I fully support those, except the one reimposing or seeking to restudy death penalty and eventually reimpose. Alalahanin ho natin, baka nakakalimutan po natin na meron pong linagdaan ang Pilipinas na sinatawag na Second Optional Protocol. Nung pinirmahan ho natin yung Second Optional Protocol, we committed as a state party never to reimpose or restore death penalty. Now, isa pang rason kung bakit hindi ko talaga, never akong magsasang-ayon sa death penalty. Yung ating resource person, the former mayor and the former president, kasasabi lang po niya, yung justice system natin, insufficient, weak, inefficient, flawed, may mga diferensya pa ang ating criminal justice system. So kung ganun,